Reverse, reverse. No. Okay. Ah. Okay, everyone, board is clear now? Everyone, board is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Board is clear? Charting, dude. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, board is clear now? From Sivani. Okay. Everyone see participant is the 20. You have to see the 35 problem. At the time we have to start at the 35 problem, but it will be cut. But you know that simple method only 35 problem. Everyone see 35 problem is integral of 1 plus log x whole square 1 plus log x whole square by x. Now we can, what is the problem model is we are going to do, what method we are following. The method is what function have the derivative, what function have the derivative. That function let it be as a t. 1 log x have the derivative 1 by x. Already it is 1 by x is there. Therefore, log x let it be t constant, also let it be t means no loss because the derivative of constant is 0. That's why we can take 1 plus log x let it be as a t. Okay, na? So 1 plus, because of constant derivative will become as a 0, no problem. Okay, na? So that's why constant derivative is a 0, 1 by x, log x derivative is the 1 by x, itself XOR derivative, itself derivative is the dx, t derivative is the 1, itself derivative is the dt. Therefore, dx is equal to x into dt. Right now, substitution everyone. So t square by x, dx means write down x into dt. X terms will be cancelled, derivative term should be cancelled. Therefore, what is the remaining is the t square integral. Now we can observe here is the single t. With respect to single t integration, with respect to single t, here also we have the single t. Therefore, x power of n formula, x power of n formula we are going to apply. X power of n formula is power should be increased in integration 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Therefore, t cube by 3. T means write down what is the value 1 plus log x. After integration, original function should be write down x cube by 3 plus c. That is the 35 problem. So this is we have to be completed at the time. So, but last week will be cut. That's why once again I will explain the 35 problem. Substitution method is what function have the derivative, that function should be let it as a t. Last one, where integration with respect to small t, a t, the single variable t, therefore single variable t is there. That's why we can apply the x power of n integration formula. Okay, na? Right, everyone go through the 36 problem. Integral of everyone see 36 problem. X plus 1 by into what is the x plus log x, x plus 1 into x plus log x by denominator is x, x plus log x square, denominator is the x into dx. Everyone observe. Here is problem is we can see mean log x derivative we have now sir 1 by x. Log x derivative is the 1 by x. That's why I will let it as a log x is equal to t sir. What about the x functions? What about the x functions? So log x, okay, log x single x, log x we are going to let it be as a t. 1 by x we have the derivative, but x plus 1 is not cancelled, and here is the extra x is not cancelled. Again log x let it be t mean it should be converted into e power of t. Problem will become as again complicated. So we are not go through the complication method. total is log x derivative we have. That's why total is let it be x. Total is let it be x. Sir, x is not become as a 0 na sir. X derivative is the 1, no problem. X derivative is the 1. So total log x derivative we have, but total we should be taking. So x plus log x. Now see, all terms should be cancelled. X plus log x is equal to t. X derivative is the 1. Log x derivative is the 1 by x. Itself derivative is the dx. T derivative is the 1. Itself derivative is the dt. Right. Take LCM. Total will be cancelled. X plus 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. Now see, the total will be cancelled. Dx is equal to dt into x by x plus 1. Total should be cancelled. Okay, then now we can substitute x plus 1 by x. This is the t square by this is the dx into dx means what is the dx value? The dt x by x plus 1. So x plus 1, x should be cancelled. Integral of t square into dt. Okay, na? So here, Navami, what is the everyone? Navami, what is the doubt for you? What is the doubt for you, Navami? No doubt, na, Navami? 34. 34.
क्लियर है
But
किसका है लैपटॉप में क्यों सर इट इज नॉट क्लियर नो
okay, now we 34 problem. 34 problem. Already we explained, Amma. 34 problem. Right. See, if you have the doubt, please. Lastly, I will tell. Okay. See. Right. 37 problem. Everyone see the 37 problem. Everyone go through the 37 problem. 37 problem. So x cube sine of tan inverse of x power of 4 by denominator is 1 plus x power of 8. Denominator is the 1 plus x power of 8. See very carefully. X cube is the derivative of x cube, x power of 4 derivative is the, we get 4x cube, already x cube is there. One point is clear. Second point is, what is the second point? We can see one point is clear. So x power of 4 derivative is the 4x cube, already x cube is there. Therefore x power of is chance is there, let it be t. Okay na? Next one more see. So x cube only cancel. What about the 1 plus x power of 8? X power of 4 I will let it be as a t mean. Only x cube is cancelled. What about the 1 plus x power of 8 is not cancelled. So tan inverse of x power of 4 is let it be t. Tan inverse of x power of 4 is let it be t. Total will be cancelled. Tan inverse of x power of 4 is let it be t. Tan inverse derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. X power of 4 whole square into, so by the chain rule, it is not a single function, x power of 4. Therefore, x power of 4 derivative is the 4x cube. Itself derivative is the dx is equal to dt. Now we can write down. So 4x cube by 1 plus x power of 8. 4 into 2 is the 8. into dx is equal to dt. Now write down the dx value. Dx is equal to 1 plus x power of 8 by 4x cube into dt. Right, substitute, we get the total is cancelled. Only one function we are getting. So integral of x cube is there, sin t, okay na? By denominator 1 plus x power of 8, dx means 1 plus x power of 8 by 4x cube into dx into dt. What are the terms should be cancelled? Only single function is remaining, sin t. Only single function is remaining. So that is the 1 by 4 is the outside. Integral of sin t into t. Sin t into t. Sin t integration is the, what is the integration of sin t? Is the minus cos t. Sin t integration is the minus cos t. Okay na? Right. 1 by 4 minus cos t plus t. Now t place write down. Now t place write down. Minus 1 by 4 cos of t means, what is the t value? Is the tan inverse of x power of 4. Tan inverse of x power of 4 plus c. Now the problem is clear. 38. We are coming to the ending of the problems. 38. Completed candidates go through the 38. Integral of 10x power of 4, 10x power of 10x power of 9 plus 10 power of x log 10 base is e into dx by denominator is x power of 10 plus 10 power of x. This is the given problem. Everyone go through the 38th problem. First, what derivative, what function have the derivative observe? What function? 10x power of 9 is the derivative of what function? 10x power of 9 is the derivative of x power of 10. X power of 10 derivative is there. Automatically 10 power of x means a power of x. What is the a power of x derivative is? A power of x into log a. 10 power of x into log 10. It is a. Therefore denominator let it be t. First do denominator let it be t. Denominator let it be t. X power of 10 plus 10 power of x let it be t. Okay na? X power of 10 derivative is 10 into x power of 9. 10 power of x, it is in the form of a power of x derivative formula. A power of x derivative is, so a power of x into log a place is the 10. Itself derivative is the dx. T derivative 1, itself derivative is the dt. Therefore, dx is equal to dt by 10x power of 9 less 10 power of x into log 10 base e. Now substitute, cancel, we get the answer. Substitute and cancel, we get the answer. First, substitute and cancel, we get the answer. 1 by t integration is the log t. 1 by t integration is the log t. Okay na? 1 by t. So this should be cancelled. So 10x power of 9 plus 10 power of x into log 10 by denominator is the t. Dx means dt by 10 into x power of 9 plus 10 power of x into log 10. So both should be cancelled. 1 by t integration is the log t. So therefore log t plus c. T means write down everyone. T means write down. Everyone write down the T means. What is the T value? The T value is x power of 10 plus 10 power of x. 39. Completed candidates go through the 39 problem. 39 is 1 by sine square x into cos square x into dx. 1 by sine square x into cos square x into dx. Sine square derivative is not there. Cos square derivative is not there. Sine square derivative is not there. Cos square derivative is not there. But what function we are going to let it be? There is no chance for let it be. So there is no chance. But small hint is there. What is the small hint? One time we can observe. What is the small hint? By the trigonometry formula, standard formula, what is the one formula is? In terms of sine and cos. Sine square theta plus cos square theta, separate two parts, we get the answer. Separate two parts. Small hint is there. There is no derivatives here. So sine square derivative is not given, cos square derivative is not given. So the next one place I am writing the trigonometric formula, that is the sine square of x plus cos square of x by denominator is sine square x into cos square x into dx. Right, separate two parts, we get the answer. Everyone separate two parts. Everyone separate two parts. Separate two parts. Integral of sine square x by sine square x into cos square x into dx plus integral of cos square x by sine square x into cos square x into dx. Now we get the idea about that one. What term should be cancelled? We get. So sine square x both will be cancelled. Cos square x both will be cancelled. So 1 by cos square x is the secant square x into dx. 1 by sine square x is the cosecant square x into dx. 1 by secant square x, 1 by cos square x is the secant square x. 1 by sine square x is the cosecant square x. Secant square x integration is the tan x. So cosecant square x integration is the cot x, but C letter is came minus cot x plus C is the required answer. Right. Total exercise is completed. The exercise 7.2 is completed by the substitution method. In this exercise, page number 301, 302, we have some what is the proofs is there? Page number 301 and 302. Some deductions is there. We can see. One time I will explain. Present, we don't know the tan x formula. Now we are going to prepare the tan x formula by the substitution method. Tan x, cot x, cosecant x, secant x formulas we are going to prepare. Now onwards, you should be remember tan x formula and cot x formula and secant x formula and cosecant x formula. Okay, na? Right. We have to page number 301 and 302 see. So 301, 302. Page number 301. Page number, everyone see the page number 301 and 302. Right, first one, integral of tan x into dx. Integral of tan x into dx. Tan x write down in terms of sine by cos. Okay, na? Tan means sine by cos. Integral of sine x by cos x. Sine x by cos x. Right? Now we can see cos x let it be t, automatically its derivative is the sin x. No sir, I will let the sin x is equal to t, so its derivative is the cos x. Generally denominator let it be as a t. Okay na? So give the preference for the denominator for the cancellation. Okay na? So denominator cos x let it be t. Cos x let it be t. What happened? Minus sin x itself derivative is the dx. T derivative itself is the dt. Therefore, dx is equal to dt by minus sin x. So, generally both have the derivatives one each other mean we should give the preference for the first one denominator. Denominator let it be as a t. Okay, na? So now we can substitute in the problem. Everyone substitute integral of sin x cos x let it be as a t. Dt means dx means dt by minus sin x. Sin x should be cancelled. What is the remaining is? Minus is outside. Integral of 1 by t into dt. What is the integration of 1 by t? Is the log t. So minus log of t plus c. What is the t value right now? T means cos x minus log of cos x plus c. Okay, na? Now see, minus is the number. It is in logarithm. What is the formula of logarithm? Is the log m power of n. We should write n into log m. Reverse also we can see log m power of n. If n is come before log m power of n. Everyone see the formula. Log m power of m is equal to n log m. N log m. So power should become before. Power should become before. In the same way, power is the multiplication of log. Number is the multiplication of log. It comes into the power. Minus is the multiplication of log. It comes into the power. Therefore, log of cos x to the power of minus 1 plus c. Minus cos inverse. Cos inverse is the 1 by cos. 1 by cos is the secant x. Therefore, log of secant x plus c. So, this is the formula for tan x. So, now everyone write down the formula for tan x. Put in the box. Integral of tan x into dx is equal to log of secant x plus c. So put in the box. This is the one more formula we are going to prepare. Same model cot x we can do. Same model cot x we can do. Integral of cot x first. Integral of cot x. Cot x. Same cos x by sin x. Cos derivative have, sin derivative have. That's why denominator you should give the preference. So denominator let it be as a sin x derivative. Let it be t. We can do. We get the answer first. Cot x into dx. Cot x into dx. Cot x means sin x, cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x into dx. Right, everyone. Cos x derivative we have, sin x derivative we have. That's why we give the preference for the denominator. First preference you should give the denominator. Sin x let it be t. Sin x let it be t. Sin x derivative is the cos x. Cos itself derivative is the exact derivative. Itself derivative is the dx. T derivative is 1. Itself derivative is the dt. dx is equal to dt by cos x. Right, substitute everyone. Integral of cos x sin x let it be t. dx means dt by cos x. Cos x should be cancelled. Integral of 1 by t. Integral of 1 by t integration is the log t. Log t plus c. T means write down. What is the t? Is the sin x. Log of sin x plus c. Right, everyone you should be write down integral of cot x dx. Formula is log of sin x plus c. One more formula is completed. Right, next. Tan x formula completed by the substitution method. Cot x formula is completed by the substitution method. Now I go through the next point is the secant x formula I am going to prepare. Right, everyone write down secant x formula. Integral of secant x into dx. Integral of secant x into dx. Third one. Integral of secant x into dx. Secant x derivative is secant x into tan x. Secant x derivative is secant x into tan x. Okay, na? For secant x problem is came in numerator multiply with. This is the only one separate method you should be remember. Secant x is the one separate method you should be remember. So secant x problem is came multiply the numerator with secant x plus tan x and divide it without loss, divide it with secant x plus tan x. This is the one separate method. So this is the one, remember everyone. So secant x problem is same. Secant x and cosecant x both are same. Secant x and cosecant x. So multiply the numerator with secant x plus tan x and divide with secant x plus tan x. Okay, na? Right. Now we can see. Now the numerator multiplies secant into secant is the secant square x plus secant into tan x is the secant x into tan x. By denominator is the secant x plus tan x into dx. Now let it be denominator is let it be t. Now denominator is let it be t. So secant x plus tan x is equal to t. Now what is the secant x derivative is secant x into tan x. Tan x derivative is secant square x into dx is equal to dt. Right, now write down. Now write down. For 10 minutes time is there. First we can write down. Cancel, we get the answer is कट हो गया white screen. Oh, time. Huh? Continue. But white screen is there. White screen is there. All right, everyone see. Everyone see. Everyone see. White screen is there. Okay, continue everyone. So now substitute integral of cancel, we get 1 by t into dt. 1 by t integration is the log t plus c. So log of integration is the secant x plus tan x t means plus c. So secant x integration formula is over. First write down integral of secant x into dx is equal to formula is the log of secant x plus tan x plus c. Secant x plus tan x plus c. So put in the box, but secant x integration is not in the substitution method, but you should follow the one separate method, multiplying the numerator and dividing the denominator by the same term. Okay, now what is the same term is the secant x plus tan x. Is it clear everyone? Same model everyone go through the cosecant x. Everyone go through the cosecant x first. Multiply with cosecant x minus cot x. Everyone go through the fourth one is the cosecant x. Multiply numerator with cosecant x minus cot x. Cosecant x minus cot x. Denominator also divide with cosecant x minus cot x. Cosecant x minus cot x. Right, first we can do. Right, first we can do cosecant x, we can be multiply. Cosecant x also we can multiply. And cosecant x denominator, let it be t, we get the answer. Denominator, let it be t, we get the answer. So numerator is cosecant square x. Cosecant square x minus cosecant x into cot x. By denominator is cosecant x minus cot x into dx. So now denominator let it be t. Cosecant x minus cot x, let it be t. What is the formula for cosecant x derivative? The minus cosecant x. Minus cosecant x into cot x. Cot x derivative is the minus cosecant x, minus minus is the plus cosecant square x. Itself derivative the dx is equal to dt. Right, take minus is common and write down, we get the answer. Take minus is clear now. Right, cosecant square x, now write down dx is equal to dt by cosecant square x minus cosecant x into cot x. Minus cosecant x into cot x. Right, substitution in this problem. Cancel, we get 1 by t into dt, that is equal to log t plus c. T means write down cosecant x minus cot x. T means cosecant x minus cot x. So cosecant integration also completed everyone. So this method is completed. T means write down integral of cosecant. Now by the substitution method we prepare the four formulas. Tan x formula is the log of. So tan x formula we should be c. Log of secant x plus c. Cot x formula is the log sin x. Secant x formula is the c. Log of secant x plus tan x. Cosecant x formula is the log of cosecant x minus cot x. Okay na? Right. Next topic I am going through in this one. Integration using the trigonometric identities. Everyone put the in. Integration using trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. What is the trigonometric identities means? Trigonometric formulas we are going to use. That is what is the first formula is? Everyone see 1 plus cos of double of angle is equal to 2 cos square of single angle. 2 theta will become as a half angle is the theta. One identity. Write down the second identity. 1 minus cos of double of angle is equal to 2 sin square of 2 theta of is the theta angle. Second identity. Next, third identity is sin of 3 theta formula is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. In very rare cases only we can use. Fourth one is cos of 3 theta formula is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. One more identity. Fifth identity is sin C plus sin D. Compound angle formula sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D. 2 sin C plus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D by 2. Sum to product formula. Here sum is given. We are converting into the product. Cos of C minus D by 2. One formula. Sixth one. Cos C plus cos D formula. Cos C plus cos D formula. 2 cos of C plus D by 2. Cos of C minus D by 2. Next one is seventh one. Cos C minus cos D formula. Cos C minus cos D formula. Minus 2 into sin of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. Eighth formula. Eighth formula. 2 sin C cos D. 2 sin C cos D is equal to